Hello, all of you joined. So far only 30 students joined. What about other students? Okay, yesterday we discussed about boundary layer formation on a flat plate. There are different reasons of boundary layer, laminar boundary layer, transition boundary layer, and turbulent boundary layer. Laminar, what is the critical parameter? What is the critical parameter that determines whether the flow is laminar, transition, or turbulent? What is the critical parameter? That is Reynolds number or velocity of flow or Reynolds number. So how do you calculate Reynolds number? Rho VL by mu, where rho is the density of the liquid, V velocity of fluid, velocity of flow, L is characteristic length, mu dynamic viscosity. If the Reynolds number is less than 5 into 10 power 5, that is laminar flow. For a flat plate, whenever fluid is flowing on a flat plate, free stream fluid flow on a flat plate, when the Reynolds number is less than 5 into 10 power 5, laminar flow. In between 5 into 10 power 5 and 7 into 10 power 5, that is transition flow. And above 5 into 10 power 7, that is turbulent flow. So boundary layer formation given, and also that is I have taken the laminar boundary layer on a flat plate. Now in this class we'll derive two equations, mass equation and momentum equation, by considering a fluid element under the boundary layer. This is the boundary layer thickness delta. Within the boundary layer, consider a fluid element of, so laminar boundary. This is, we are considering laminar only for the time being. We are considering laminar boundary layer on a flat plate. This is a flat plate. This is a laminar boundary layer. Fluid is with a velocity u free stream. Consider a fluid element of dimensions, control volume of dimension dx into dy into 1. Here dz value 1, unit value. That's why consider control volume of sizes dx into control volume of size dx into dy into z. So x direction dx, y direction dy. And if the fluid is flowing like this, on this is movement, whenever within the boundary layer, there is velocity of flow u. If you consider this is a control volume of the fluid element under the boundary laminar boundary layer, and u is the velocity at the left face. What is in the x direction? U velocity in the x direction, v velocity in the y direction. So there are two velocities here and two forces, pressure force and shear force. So two velocities, velocity in the x direction, u, v is the velocity in the y direction. Okay, velocity u. If u is the velocity at the left face, what is the velocity at the right face? U plus dou u by dou variation of velocity with respect to x. That's why u plus, if the u is the velocity at the left face, what is the velocity at the right face? That is u plus dou u by dou x for a distance of dx. For a distance of dx. That's why velocity at the right face in the x direction, u plus dou u by dou x into dx. Similarly, if v is the velocity in the y direction, for example, velocity in the y direction at the bottom face, v is the velocity at the bottom face, and what is the velocity at the top face? V plus dou v by dou y, variation of velocity with respect to y direction, into for a distance, for a height of dy, for a height of dy. So if v is the velocity at the bottom face, what is the velocity at the top face? V plus dou v by dou y, v plus dou v by dou into dy, dou v by dou y for a height of dy. That's why the velocity at the top face in the y direction, v plus dou v by dou y into dy. So that's our velocities. U is the velocity in the x direction, v is the velocity in the y direction. And obviously when the fluid is flowing like this, always some pressure force acting on the element at the left face, some pressure force acting on the right face. So pressure, P is the pressure. What is the pressure force? Pressure into area. This area, left face area dy into 1. Right face area also dy into 1. Bottom face area dx into 1. Top face area dx into 1. Into 1 means that is z direction 1. So if P is the pressure at the left face, what is the pressure force? Pressure force P into area, P into dy into 1, that is P dy. If the P is the pressure intensity at the left face, what is the pressure intensity at the right face? P plus dou P by dou x along x direction, dou P by dou x into dx, that's the pressure, into area dy into 1, dy into dy into 1, that is into dy. So pressure force at the right face acting in the opposite direction, P plus dou P by dou x into dx into dy. That is one force, pressure force. Similarly, so the fluid is moving like this, always the shear force will develop between the different layers of the fluid. Layer 1, layer This is layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, like that. Between two layers of the fluid, the shear force is developed. The shear force, for example, if you tau, shear stress is a tau here in the negative x direction. Shear force due to shear, this is shear force is equal to shear stress into area. Shear force is equal to shear stress into area. How do you get shear stress? Mu into, according to Newton's law of viscosity, mu into dou u by dou y into area. This bottom face area dx into 1, dx into 1. That's why shear force at the bottom face, which is acting in the negative x direction, mu into dou u by dou y into dx. Okay, here, so you assume dynamic viscosity mu is the dynamic viscosity, dx into 1 area. So here top face also, if the shear force at the bottom, shear force at the bottom face mu into dx into dou u by dou y. Shear force at the bottom face mu into dou u by dou y into dx. If this is the shear force at the bottom face, what is the shear force at the top face? So for constant viscosity, dynamic viscosity mu is constant. Area dx into 1. But there is variation of u velocity in the y direction. That's why dou u by dou y varies in the y direction. That's why at the top face, what is the component of dou u by dou y? At the bottom face, dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y plus dou by dou y of dou u by dou y into dy. This is the shear force at the top force. Mu into dx into dou u by dou y plus dou by dou y of dou u by dou y into dy. Into dy. Okay. Now, so for this we have to consider control volume. Already explained, dx into dy into 1. So here we have to derive the equation of motion, that is momentum equation. First we have to get the mass equation, and next momentum equation of motion, momentum equation for the boundary layer, that is laminar boundary layer, by making a force and momentum balance. By making a force, here two forces, pressure force as well as shear force, that is equal to sigma fx is equal to change in the momentum. By using that formula, you can get the equation of motion by making a force and momentum balance on this element, So here what are the assumptions that we have followed? The fluid is incompressible. That means fluid density is constant and flow is steady flow. There will not be any variation of velocities with respect to time. So the temperature, there will not be any variation of temperature with respect to time. That is steady flow. There are no pressure variation in the, so pressure is varied in the x direction, but there is no pressure variation along the y direction. So there are no pressure variation in the direction perpendicular to the plate, means perpendicular to the plate means the y direction. So dou p by dou y is equal to 0. Dou p by dou x is there, but dou p by dou y is equal to 0. And other assumption, the viscosity is constant. We are assuming mu is constant. And fourth assumption, viscous shear force, that is shear force in the y direction are negligible. We are considering the viscous force in the x direction. This is viscous force, shear force in the x direction. We are neglecting the viscous force in the y direction. This one, viscous force in the y direction. So the viscosity is constant. Viscous shear forces or shear force in the y direction are negligible. Shear forces in the y direction are negligible. Now, how do you calculate equation of motion? By applying the sum of the force in the x direction, sigma fx is equal to sum of the force in the x direction, sigma fx. You increase in the momentum of the fluid, increase in the momentum flux, increase in the momentum flux in the x direction. By using this formula, sigma fx means what are the forces? Sum of the force in the x direction, that is equal to rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum or increase in the momentum flux in the x direction. By using this formula, you can get the equation of motion. That is momentum equation. Momentum equation. But for that, first you have to go for the mass balance. Mass balance equation. Mass entering the left face of the element per unit time. Mass entering rho is the density. What is mass? Density into volume. You get the mass. So density rho into, so velocity into area. You get the volume flow rate. So density into volume flow rate. You get the mass flow rate. The mass flow rate at the left face. The density rho into velocity into area. That is dy into 1. That's why all of you listen very carefully. All of you listen very carefully. So mass entering the left face of the element per unit time, rho into volume flow rate, that is velocity into area, u into dy into 1. That is the mass entering the left face is rho into u into dy into 1. That is rho u dy. Similarly, what is the momentum flux entering the left face? Momentum flux entering the left face per unit time, momentum. The mass into velocity, mass rho u dy. What is the velocity at the left face? That is u. That's why the momentum flux entering the left face per unit time, rho u dy. That is mass into velocity. Yeah, mass into velocity. That is momentum. Mass into velocity. So rho u dy into velocity u. That's why this is u into u square. Rho u square dy. Mass leaving, the mass leaving the right face here. Mass leaving the right face. What is the velocity here? U plus dou by dou x into dx. Mass density into velocity into area. That dy into 1. That's why mass leaving the right face is rho into velocity u plus dou by dou x into dx into area dy into 1. Velocity into area. Then you get the volume flow rate. Density into volume flow rate. Mass. Mass flow rate or mass. So rho into mass leaving the right face. Rho into u plus dou by dou x into dx whole multiplied with dy. Okay. Next, and the momentum flux leaving the right face in the x direction with u velocity, and the momentum flux leaving the right face, that is mass into velocity. But what is the velocity at the right face? U plus dou by dou x into dx. That's why rho into u plus dou by dou x into dx into dy into 1 into velocity, that is u plus dou by dou x into dx. So u plus dou by dou x into dx into u plus dou by dou x into dx, that is u plus dou by dou x into dx whole square. That's why the momentum flux leaving the right face is rho into u plus dou by dou x into dx whole square into area dy into 1. That's about in the x direction. That's in the y direction. What the mass flow entering at the bottom face here? Mass flow rate entering in the bottom face. That is density into volume flow rate. That's why here mass entering the bottom face. Density rho into volume flow rate is velocity into area. Velocity v in the bottom face v, velocity v, and area dx into 1. That's why mass flow entering the bottom face rho into v into dx. Therefore the mass leaving the top face, here. How do you calculate? Density into velocity into area, that is dx into 1. So mass leaving the top face rho into v plus dou by dou y into dy, velocity at the top face v plus dou by dou y into dy into dx. That's why, so mass balance on the small element, mass balance on the small element. Mass balance on the element yields mass entry plus mass leaving. What is mass balance? What is the mass that is entering into the element is equal to mass that is leaving from the element. What is the mass that is entering? Here mass is entering here. Mass is entering like this. So the mass entered at the left face plus mass entered at the bottom face is equal to mass leaving from the element. So mass leaving from the right face plus mass leaving at the top face. That's why mass balance on the element, mass balance on the element is that is rho u dy plus rho v dx. That is mass entry into the elemental volume. That is mass leaving from the elemental volume. Mass leaving at the right face in the x direction. That is rho into u plus dou by dou x into dx into dy plus at the top face mass leaving from the elemental volume at the top face in the y direction plus rho into v plus dou by dou y into dy into dx. Now, if you simplify this one, rho u dy, here rho u dy get cancelled. Here rho v dx, here rho into v into dx. So rho v dx get cancelled. What is the remaining term? What is the remaining term? Rho into dou by dou x into dx dy plus rho into dou by dou y into dx dy is equal to 0. So take the rho common. Rho take out common into rho into dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y into dx dy is equal to 0. From that, so okay, then rho for a then for a constant density is constant, rho is equal to 0 and dx dy is equal to 0 and within the common term the term is dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0 from the mass balance. Dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. This is the mass continuity equation for the boundary layer. Mass continuity equation for two directions, x and y directions. For rho density constant for steady flow and for incompressible flow, that is density constant dou by dou x plus dou by dou y is 0 for xy direction. Similarly for z direction, so what are the three directions x, y, z? Dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0. If you consider third dimension also, that is z direction, then dou u by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0. That is continuity equation. So only for the time being consider only two directions x and y. So what is the continuity equation? Mass continuity equation or continuity equation? So mass with the help of the mass balance. So dou by dou x plus dou by dou y is equal to 0. This is a mass equation. Mass continuity equation for the any given boundary layer, laminar boundary layer. Dou by dou x plus dou by dou y is equal to 0. Okay. Next, momentum equation. This is very, very important. Momentum. How do you get the momentum equation for this small elemental volume of size dx into dy into 1? Momentum. So sigma fx is equal to increase in the momentum flux in the x direction. Increase in the momentum flux in the x direction. So okay, momentum. What are the two forces here? One force is pressure force. Other force is shear force. Pressure force and shear force. That's sigma fx. Pressure force plus shear force is equal to change in the momentum. Change in the momentum in x direction. That's why what is the momentum? In the moment entry, what is momentum leaving? So here already we have discussed the momentum flux entering the left face, rho u square dy. The momentum flux leaving the right face in the x direction, rho into u plus dou by dou x in dx whole square into dy. Similarly, there will be momentum at the bottom face, top face. That also to be considered. So momentum equation. Momentum equation is very, very important here. So return returning to the momentum and force analysis. Momentum and force analysis. So sigma fx is equal to rate of change of momentum or increase in the momentum flux. Sigma fx is equal to increase in the momentum flux, or otherwise sum of the force in the x direction is equal to change of momentum. Change of momentum from the basic physics principle. Okay, for this, again you have to consider the y direction also. What is the momentum at the bottom phase? What is the momentum at the top phase? So the momentum in the x direction, the momentum in the x direction only, we are considering x direction only because the two forces, pressure force as well as shear force, both are acting in the x direction only. That's why we are considering the momentum equation in the x direction only. That's why momentum in the x direction in the that enters the bottom phase. How do you calculate? Mass into velocity. Mass density into in the x direction at the bottom phase. What is the velocity into area u into dx? In the x direction, velocity is u. That with that the mass is entering at the bottom phase. That's why volume flow rate u into dx into 1. That's why rho into u into dx into 1. That is the mass. But what is the velocity at the bottom phase? V is the velocity. That's why momentum in the x direction, that is very important. That enters the bottom phase. Rho into u into dx into v. This is mass, this is velocity at the bottom phase v. That's why rho into u into dx into v. That is equal to, you can simplify this one as rho into v into u into dx. Momentum in the x direction that enters the bottom phase of the control volume. Here, the bottom phase, momentum in the x direction, that is density into density into volume flow rate, area, density into velocity into area, rho into velocity in the x direction u, area dx into 1. That's why rho u into dx into 1 into momentum, mass into velocity into here velocity in the y direction at the bottom phase v. That's why the momentum in the x direction that enters the bottom phase, rho into v into u into dx. Finally, up simplification, rho v u, rho into v into u into dx. And the momentum in the x direction that leaves the top phase, that leaves the top phase. So anyhow, rho density is constant, density is constant. Area at the top phase also area dx into 1, here also dx. But velocity, there is velocity variation v in the y direction, velocity variation u in the y direction. That's why what is the velocity at the top phase? If v is the velocity at the bottom phase, what is the velocity at the top phase? V plus dou v by dou y into dy into, if u is the velocity at the bottom phase, and what is the velocity? V is the velocity in the x direction at the bottom phase. U is the velocity in the x direction at the bottom phase. And what is the velocity u at the top phase in the x direction? That is u plus dou u by dou y into dy. That's why the momentum in the x direction that leaves the top phase is rho, density rho, constant rho, area dx into 1, constant dx, but velocity variation v plus dou by dou y into dy into u variation u plus dou by dou y into dy. So that's why, so in the x direction, momentum entry, moment in the rho u square dy. In the x direction, momentum leaving rho into u plus dou by dx into dx whole square into dy. In the y direction, momentum entry is the rho into v into du into dx. And at the top phase, leaving from the element, momentum leaving in the y direction at the top phase, rho into v plus dou by dou y into dy into u plus dou by dou y into dy into dx. Now, what is our momentum equation? That is equation of motion, that is by balance the force with momentum. That's why again for the momentum is over. Now we have to calculate the forces. We are interested in the momentum in the x direction. We are interested in the momentum in the x direction because the forces considered in the analysis are those in the x direction only. What are the forces? Pressure force as well as shear force in the x direction. So these forces are those due to viscous shear or viscosity or shear force and the pressure forces on the element. Therefore, the pressure force on the left face already explained. P into dy into 1 force pressure into area dy into 1. The pressure force on the left face is P dy here. If you observe P dy pressure force on the left face P dy, pressure force at the right face P plus dou P by dou x into dx into dy. So therefore the pressure force on the left face is P dy. Therefore next the pressure force on the right face is P plus dou P by dou x into dx into dy, but it acting in the opposite direction. That is negative x direction. That's why the pressure force on the right face is minus P plus dou P by dou x into dx into dy. Therefore, the net pressure force in the direction of motion, that is positive x direction, the net pressure force is minus here P dy minus P dy get cancelled. P dy minus P dy get cancelled, and what is the remaining force? Minus dou P by dou x into dx into dy. The net pressure force in the direction of motion is minus dou P by dou x into dx into dy. Next, the viscous shear force. Next force, first pressure force. Next one, shear force. Second force, shear force. The viscous shear force on the bottom face. Viscous shear force on the bottom face. Here, viscous shear force on the bottom face. It is acting in the negative x direction. That's why minus mu into dx into dou u by dou y. That's why the viscous shear force on the bottom face is minus mu into dou u by dou y into dx. And the shear force on the top face, but it acting in the positive x direction. Shear force on the top face. This one, shear force on the top is acting in the positive x direction. That is plus mu dx into dou u by dou y plus dou by dou y of dou u by dou y into dy. That's why the shear force on the top face mu dx into dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou y plus dou by dou y of dou u by dou y into dy. Therefore, the net shear force in the direction of motion, that is in the x direction, the net shear force is positive, this is negative. Mu dx into dy, mu dx into dou u by dou y. This is minus mu into dou u by dou y into dx. This is plus mu into dou u by dou y into dx. This get cancelled. And what is the remaining term? This is mu into dou by dou y by dou u by dou y. Dou square u by dou y square into dx into dy. That's why the net shear force in the direction of motion, that is in the x direction, positive x direction, net shear force mu into dou square u by dou y square into dx dy. So what is our equation? Impulse momentum equation of sigma fx is equal to rate of change of momentum increase in the momentum flux. So sigma fx, sum of the force in x direction. This is shear force positive mu into dou square u by dou y square into dx dy minus, and this is the pressure force minus dou p by dou x minus dou p by dou x into dx dy. Here this is the shear force, this is the pressure force P, pressure force mu dou square u by dou y, this is the shear force into dx dy common. That is equal to net increase the momentum. So momentum leaving from the right face, this is the right face. Momentum entering at the left face, that is, so momentum, change of momentum in the x direction. That's why momentum leaving minus momentum entering. That is change of momentum. Momentum leaving minus momentum entering. That's why momentum leaving at the right phase, rho into u plus dou u by dx, dou u by dou x into dx whole square into dy minus rho u square dy. That is the momentum. Change of momentum in the x direction. And change of momentum in the y direction, x direction component in the y direction. That's why, so momentum entering at the bottom phase. This is the momentum entering at the bottom phase. This is the momentum entering leaving from the top phase. That's why, so in the y direction, change of momentum, momentum leaving minus momentum entering. Momentum leaving at the top phase, rho into v plus dou by dou y into dy into u plus dou by dou y into dy into dx minus rho v u dx. Okay, here if you simplify this one, and clearing the terms, making use of continuity equation, clearing the terms, higher order terms, and making use of continuity relation or continuity equation, and neglecting second order differential, finally you'll get the momentum equation in the x direction, rho into here dx dy common term. That's why dx dy cancel. That's why mu into dou square u by dou y square minus dou p by dou x is equal to this term of simplification, rho into u dou u by dou x plus rho into u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to this force, this one force. Right hand side, this is a momentum, left hand side is the force, the right hand, reverse, I'm reversed this one, So rho into u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu into dou square u by dou y square minus dou p by dou x. The for density rho, variation of velocity in the x direction dou u by dou x plus velocity v in the y direction, and variation of u dou u by dou in the y direction, dou u by dou y only. We're considering x direction. That's why rho into u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu into dou square u by dou y square minus dou p by dou x. So this is a momentum equation of the laminar boundary layer with constant property, that is rho constant, mu constant. So next you can write like this: u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to dividing both sides with rho. Then the equation becomes dividing both sides with rho. The equation becomes u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu by rho minus 1 by rho dou p by dou x. Generally, pressure variation is very small. The variation of pressure with respect to x direction you can neglect. Then, if you neglect the pressure variations, when compared with the shear force variation, shear force variation, pressure variation is some extent negligible. You can neglect dou p by dou x. That's why dou p by dou x is 0. Finally, the equation u dou by dou x plus v dou by dou y is equal to mu by rho dou square u by dou y square. Again, mu by rho, dynamic viscosity by density, nu is equal to mu by rho. That's why final equation u into dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to kinematic viscosity nu into dou square u by dou y square when the pressure variation is 0. What is the final equation? U dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu by rho, kinematic viscosity, nu into dou square u by dou y square. So this is the momentum equation of the laminar boundary layer with constant properties. So that's why mass balance equation dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y is equal to 0 for two directions x and y, and momentum balance or momentum equation, so u into dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu by rho dou square u by dou y square, mu by rho kinematic viscosity, the nu into dou square u by dou y square, u into dou by dou x plus v into dou u by dou y is equal to nu kinematic viscosity nu into dou square u by dou y square. Okay, here this step continue to the next page means this step I have removed here. So if you are interested, you can do this mathematics on your own. That this equation mu into dou square by dou y square dx dy minus dou by dou x into dx dy is equal to rho into rho u plus dou by dou x dx whole square into dy minus rho u square dy plus rho into v plus dou by dou y dy into u plus dou by dou y dy into dx minus rho v u dx. So you can simplify this term. You can simplify this term, and finally you will get that the final this term. This term. Finally get this term. Okay, na? So here, all of you listen very carefully. So I have squared this one rho into a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So a u b dou u by dx into dx. U square into b a square plus b square dou u by dou x into dx whole square. Dou u by dou x into this whole square only. Dou u by dou x whole square into dx plus okay na 2 into a into b 2 into a u b dou u by dou x into dx finally into dy. Now this is a rho u square dy minus rho u square dy. So rho u square dy minus rho u square get cancelled. What is the remaining term? Rho into so dou u by dou whole square into dx square into dy plus 2u into dou u by dou x into dx into dy. The first term. Next, if you simplify this one, this is the okay. Next, second term, rho into you multiply with u this term, and you multiply this u with this terms. So you multiply with these two terms. You multiply dou by dou y into dy with these two terms and simplify. So rho into first v into u plus v into dou by dou into dy, v into dou by dou into dy. Okay na? Plus this into u. So u into dou by dou into dy, u into dou by dou into dy into here dou by dou into dy into dou by dou into dy. Okay na? Plus dou by dou into dou by dou into so dy into dy square whole multiplied with dx whole multiplied with dx. After that you have to deduct with minus rho v u dx minus rho v u dx. Here rho into v into u dx into dx whole this whole multiplied with dx. Rho into v into u into dx. That's why plus rho v u dx minus rho v dx. This get cancelled. Final of simplification this term and this term. So rho into this term first is this term. So rho into v into this term simplification. Second term simplification. First term simplification this is one. Second term simplification rho into v into dou by dou y into dy into dx. That's why dx into dy plus u into dou v by dou y into dy into dx plus dou u by dou y into dou v by dou y into dy whole square into dx. Okay na? Now here left hand side mu dou square u by dou y square minus dou v by dou x dx dy get cancelled because here dx dy is common. That's why dx into dy common term that cancel. That's why mu into dou square u by dou y square minus dou v by dou x equal to rho into this one dou u by dou x whole square into dx square r into dx into dy. So dx into dy get cancelled common term. Only dx is there. That's why dou by dou x whole square dx plus 2u dou u by dou x plus 2u dou u by dou x. So from this equation, rho into the v dou u by dou y, v dou u by dou y plus u here 2u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y plus u dou v by dou y plus u dou v by dou y plus dou u by dou y into dou v by dou y. So here dy into dx can cancel, one dy will be there. So dou u by dou y into dou v by dou y into dy. Okay. So neglecting the second order terms, neglecting the second order, dou u by dou x whole square, that is 0. You can neglect this one. And dou u by dou y into dou v by dou y into dou, you can neglect this term. Here 2u dou u by dou x. So 1 u dou u by dou x plus u dou u by dou x plus u 1 u dou u by dou x plus u dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou y. Dou u by u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y. This 2u dou u by dou x, u dou u by dou x plus u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y plus u dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y. So u dou u by dou x plus u dou u by dou y, you take common u into dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y. That is continuity equation. Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y 0. That's why one term will remain, that is u dou u by dou x will be there. U into dou u by dou x plus second term v dou u by dou y. That's why finally after simplification, neglecting the second order terms, that is dou u by dou x whole square, you can neglect. Second, this is multiplication. That's why dou u by dou y into dou u by dou y into dy. This is also neglected. But this you can write as u dou u by 2u dou u by x as u dou u by dou x plus u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y plus u dou v by dou y. That's why 1 u dou u by dou x plus u dou v by dou y, that becomes 0. Why? From the continuity equation, u into dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y, that is 0. By using the continuity equation. Continuity equation. What is continuity equation? Mass continuity equation. Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y is equal to 0. So by substituting the continuity equation, after simplification, what is remaining term here? One term u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y. Rho into u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu dou square u by dou y square. Mu into dou square u by dou y square minus dou p by dou x. Okay, na? That is the momentum equation. Momentum, x momentum equation in the x direction. Momentum rho into u into dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu dou square u by dou y square minus dou by dou x. That's the same here. After simplification, that we are getting rho into u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu into dou square u by dou y square minus dou p by dou x. This is the momentum equation of the laminar boundary layer with the constant properties. Density rho is constant, mu is constant in the x direction. So this is known as x momentum equation. X momentum equation. If you multiply with both sides, already explained, with rho, u dou by dou x plus v dou by dou y is equal to mu by rho into dou square u by dou y square minus 1 by rho dou p by dou x. If the pressure, generally pressure variation is very, very small, you can neglect pressure variation. That's why this term can be removed. That's the final equation. U dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y is equal to mu by rho dou square u by dou y square. You can replace mu by rho with kinematic viscosity. That is nu. Nu is equal to mu by rho. Kinematic viscosity mu by rho. Dynamic viscosity by density. That's my final equation. X momentum equation. Final X momentum equation. U dou by dou x plus B dou U by dou y is equal to mu by rho dou square V by dou y square. You can replace mu by rho with kinematic viscosity. That's the final equation. U dou U by dou x plus V dou U by dou y is equal to nu kinematic viscosity into dou square U by dou y square. Dou square U by dou y square. That is the X momentum equation in the X direction only. But what is the Y direction moment equation? U dou V by dou X plus V dou V by dou Y is equal to nu into dou square V by dou Y square in the Y direction. Similarly, Z direction, U dou V by dou X plus U dou W by dou X plus V dou W by dou Y is equal to mu into dou square W by dou Y square in the Z direction. Like that. So the continuity equation and momentum equation. This is momentum equation. Momentum equation is very, very important. So continuity and momentum equation, the derivations are very, very important. So if you follow in a clear-cut manner, that is very, very easy to follow the remaining topics on this convection. Okay, na? Any doubt? That's all for today. That's all for today. Any doubt? So if there are no doubts, with this I'm stopping. That's all for today. Any doubt? So today only 50 students are joined. What about remaining students? So at least from tomorrow, all of you join the class. Otherwise, recon subject is continuity is very much required. If you follow the class thoroughly, it is very easy to pass. If you do not follow the classes, sometimes it's difficult to pass. Okay, na? Next, one more important point. I will put the assignment questions in the group. All of you answer those questions and submit in the A4 sheets. While entering the college, while coming to the college, all of you submit the first assignment. I'll give the first assignment questions. I'll share in the group, WhatsApp group. Okay, na? Okay, that's all for today. I'm closing.